And pinion angle is totally dependent on the downward angle of the motor. Typically, engine transmission will be angled downward at about maybe 2.5, 3 degrees. Well, to keep the drive shaft from vibrating, the pinion angle has to be up the same amount, at least the same amount. So if you got 3 degrees down at the front, you need 3 degrees up at the back. Now that way, that eliminates the driveline vibration. If they're straight, then you get a jump rope. If they're in the same direction, you get a jump rope. So they've got to be opposite each other to make, because that's what the drive shaft was designed for. So that's a good question. A lot of people don't understand that. But whatever the transmission is down, set the back, and if you don't know what the transmission down, use 3 degrees. That seems to work most of the time.